So I've been using this cold press for a couple of months now. This is the 2-mass cold juice press. And what I like about it is that the shoe is actually quite large. It's about 6 inches wide. And we actually put hard stuff like ginger, carrots. You can put a whole apple. But it is also a top shoe if you want to add more produce to make it easier for you. What's nice about cold press is that it preserves nutrients and also flavor, like having fresh juice in the morning. They're actually quite nice. We used to buy it from the store, but now we can actually control the sugar amount, the sweetness, the tartness, adding a little bit of ginger to it. And it handles root vegetables very well. It's super efficient. This is ideal for green juices, fruit blends, rooted fruit as well. On the side here is where the juice will come out, and a lot was produced. Now this top metal-free filter is optional. If you like your juices with a little bit of pulp, you can just take this out and drink it directly. The way you can tell if a juicer is efficient is to look at the pulp and just looking at how much moisture content is in it. And this is super dry, like it leaves my hands pretty much dry. Now don't throw this out, you can use this for different recipes. The juice comes out amazing every single time. Being able to control exactly what you put into your juice is a huge plus for us. To clean this is actually very easy, it's super efficient. So when you actually take this out, there are 2 more little parts in here. If you hand wash it, it'll take you about 3 minutes is what I would say. You do leave this on the counter because it doesn't take up much space. Once you take away the containers, it's pretty much just a small square. What we started doing is actually leaving the fruit at night in here. So when we wake up, we'll just turn it on and we'll have fresh juice every single morning. And overall, it runs quiet, easy to clean, full of nutrients, and handles whole produce very easily.